Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're doing well. I'm sure you're tired of me talking about light sweet crude oil, but obviously you guys know that's where my passion lies, and I like to use real life examples of trades that transpired in real time. Why do I think that's super important? Well, I mean, listen, hindsight's always 20/20, but when you can accurately depict an opportunity in the market and really hone in on it, not only for yourself, but for other live traders, it really adds a layer of credibility that most of the time you're just simply not going to find. So, want to talk about how it was navigated this morning. This is a 5-minute chart. I'm going to just kind of do some super basic analysis. We had a little double top this morning come into play, but I want you to really genuinely focus in on a specific candle, and I'm going to tell you why, because this is what really kind of gave it, really kind of solidified the opportunity along the lines of a volume price action interaction. So at 8:05 a.m., notice we had a high buying, selling volume rather, okay, but no follow through. In fact, we had high selling volume into support, and we immediately rebounded from it. That, to me, solidified the ability to say in front of other people trading live money accounts, hey, I believe this area, 81.20, is now support, and we could encounter a rally off of this price point. Which, guys, that's exactly what happened, all right? So from 81.20, where that assessment was made with confidence, based on the Hawkeye volume and what the price action was doing, add a layer of support, guys. I mean, just look at this. This market ran roughly 170 ticks, okay? All by being able to identify in real time as the market's transpiring, we've just broken a double top scenario after putting in a higher low. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. Here's the low made. Here's a higher low. Okay, low, higher low, double top, break of the double top, retest on high selling volume, inability to penetrate support, boom. And the market takes off from there. So the question is, do you understand in depth the relationship between volume and price action? And if you don't, or you believe you could be better at it, which I believe most people could, I want to invite you to join me in a training webinar. Okay? Me, you, all right? We're going to dive into this a little bit deeper, because I genuinely believe this is the missing piece that most people simply do not have. Okay? They are so interested in trying to find some indicator or software to do the work for them, rather than just acquiring or building the skill set of understanding how volume and price action interact with one another. And that's exactly what we do here at Hawkeye. So not only are we going to give you the indicators to populate on your screen, right? All volume based, right? As you see, what's on my screen is exactly what you're going to get, all right? We're going to give you access to the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series, because I need you to understand what I do, all right, and what every other successful trader does that focuses on volume and price action. Many people would have saw this and go, oh, this is a fake breakout. Okay, we broke the prior highs, we broke the double top. See selling volume, they go, this is a fake breakout. I'm not going to get long here. When this was the perfect time to get long. Why? Because increased selling volume was unsuccessful in overtaking support. That tells me that the sellers are being absorbed by the buyers are unwilling to allow the sellers to go lower, and immediately we turn around and we start chipping our way higher, about 170 ticks throughout the session. So again, I'd like to invite you to join me in a training webinar. I'm going to put a link below this video. Click on it, consume the content, reach out, ask any questions you have. Next steps would be getting the indicators populated on your trading platform, giving you access to the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series. You can study at your own pace, and let us help you Remove all the stuff off your chart that's doing you a disservice and just getting you focused on what genuinely, truly matters. And guys, that is the interaction between volume and price action. I'm so confident in this, guys. I actually express it live to folks trading live accounts. Why do I do that? Because if I didn't, what credibility would I have? Right? I act on these trades for myself. Why? Because what credibility would I have if I didn't? Right? So you need to understand this stuff. It took me a lot of years to understand it because I was just trying everything that was thrown at me. And many of you have probably experienced the same. The reality is, less is more. Volume and price action are the only two things that matter. So click that link below. I'll see you in the training webinar, and I look forward to getting you started or on track to understanding volume and price action at the highest level. God bless, guys. Thanks so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video.